It's a 2017 Mercedes-Benz GLA. This GLA is a mix of adrenaline, adventure, sport utility, and sports car. It comes with all the amenities you need. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, external memory control, wireless phone connectivity, driver and passenger memory seats, and refrigerated box located in the glove box. Of the GLA, Cars.com writes, quiet and smooth with long legs, this compact Benz loves the highway. Mercedes-Benz keeps setting the standard and driving forward. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.